Thank you for joining us today for this important announcement of a major research investment by the Government of Canada through the Applied Research and Commercialization Initiative of the Federal Economic Development Agency of Southern Ontario, otherwise known as FedDev. This audience knows how important university research is. It's through research that we tackle society's most pressing problems. But university research shouldn't, and I'm happy to say usually doesn't, occur in a vacuum. To really make a difference in the world, the research that happens here must make its way into the world. One of the major ways it does that is through commercialization and partnerships with industry. That is why the Applied Research Commercialization Initiative, which we also refer to lovingly as ARC, are so important. They help our researchers move their work to companies and into the marketplace, where it can reach a wider public.
As you all know, the University of Toronto has an outstanding reputation for its work in research in a wide range of fields, and the university is the largest and most prestigious research-intensive university in Canada. In addition to the wonderful work, education, and training that takes place here, the overall impact economically of the University of Toronto on the Greater Toronto Area economy is quite substantial. Last year, my colleague Gary Goodyear met with workers, community leaders, academics, and business leaders to hear their ideas about how we can foster the type of innovative environment we want to have. No matter where he went, the message was clear. One of Southern Ontario's greatest strengths is the research and expertise at our world-class universities and colleges. And I would add, of course, second to none being the University of Toronto. It was with this in mind in April of last year that our government launched the $15 million Applied Research and Commercialization Initiative, referred to by some as ARC, to help small and medium-sized businesses in Southern Ontario work with colleges and universities to bring their promising new innovations into the marketplace. This initiative addresses the unique research and innovation challenges faced by small and medium-sized enterprises by helping post-secondary institutions to provide their applied research and development and pre-commercialization expertise to businesses that don't have the internal capacity to undertake these kinds of important pioneering activities. We're helping to accelerate commercialization, productivity, and competitiveness, in addition to encouraging additional private sector investment in innovation. The Applied Research and Commercialization Program also supports FedDev Ontario's vision by encouraging the transformation and diversification of the economy of Southern Ontario. We do it through partnerships and investments between universities such as this one here today, the University of Toronto, and Ontario businesses. Today, there are 24 colleges and universities that are participating in this important initiative. The University of Toronto was approved for up to $750,000 to work with local businesses to help bring innovative practices, processes, and products to the marketplace.
I'm happy to get this opportunity to thank the Government of Canada that provided us with resources to pursue this partnership with Sensor Technology. I'm happy to see that two members of Sensor Technology are present today, the CEO and President who will speak after me, and the VP of Research, Dr. Saidun Imana, who is here in the audience. This technology we are jointly developing leads to converting surrounding vibration into usable electrical energy that will power sensors or actuators. And that will be done without the need for cables or batteries. So the application can be basically numerous, including cell phones, cameras, automotive systems, aerospace systems. So basically anywhere where we have surrounding vibration, and this can be very significant. So basically what we are planning to do is to use piezo ceramics, which is a smart material, where Sensor Technology is a world leader in this area and the manufacturer of piezo ceramics, that will convert basically environmental vibration into usable electrical energy. And in doing so, we're trying to basically develop this system or this package so that it is very small and it has a very high power density. We're trying to use basically innovative techniques that will enhance the power density of the device so that when you carry it in your handheld device, you don't need basically any other source of power. And this is a big challenge. We are We benefit significantly from the materials expertise that is available at Sensor Technology, and we have significant expertise here at the University of Toronto in terms of design and in terms of packaging of these devices in the area of mechatronics. So we're trying to basically combine this expertise from the two partners into developing a very useful device. The support from FEDAV is greatly appreciated, and it's used basically to support two full-time researchers that are working on this device. We meet very, very frequently with researchers from Sensor Tech. Here at U of T, they come basically very, quite often to meet with our students. And our partnerships actually with Sensor Tech goes back many years. So on behalf of all my colleagues at the University of Toronto, I believe there are 14 of them, leading researchers and their research groups, I would like to thank FEDAV Canada for the support. And in doing so, they have enabled great research and partnerships to continue.
We began working with Professor Benrad probably about 8 years ago now, maybe closer to 10, and we really benefited from the group's extensive experience in design, as well as analysis, as well as the testing capabilities that they have here at U of T. The FedDev ARC funding, it's imperative to continue the work in the area of piezoelectricity, especially power harvesting, which is definitely a new emerging market for us at Sensor Tech, and one that we want to explore. And we're very pleased to be working with Professor Benrad's group. And thank you very much for having us here today. Thank you.